Why does the same human body feel ordinary in one place and unsettling in another? In some cultures, skin is simply part of life. In others, it signals discomfort or taboo. The answer is layered: biology, history, and social rules. A question of skin, the human animal and its attire. The story of our skin is the story of our species. Across the animal kingdom, coverings evolve for insulation, camouflage, protection. For us, something different happened. We shed dense fur to stay cool as ancestors ranged the African savannas. Skin became our interface, rich in sensation, temperature, and touch. But hairlessness made us vulnerable to the elements, so we invented clothing, first as survival technology. Over time, function became meaning. Clothing turned into language. A biological body and a cultural canvas coexist. The unseen rules, cultural blueprints for modesty. Every society runs on rules, some written, most unwritten. They script what is polite, appropriate, forbidden. We absorb these norms young, often without knowing. If bodies are treated as ordinary, the lesson is comfort. If always hidden, the lesson is secrecy. Secrecy can pair nudity with mystery, even shame. Early scripts etch deeply into the mind. Family norms scale up through religion, law, and media. Some faiths link covering with piety. Others allow ritual nudity as purity. These beliefs shape dress codes and public decency laws. Climate matters, but culture often outweighs weather. Cold places may still normalize communal nudity. Echoes of the past, how history and art shaped our view. Our present lens is an inheritance of centuries. Ancient Greece celebrated the nude, strength, heroism, civic virtue. Rome admired nudity in art and baths, but tied it to status elsewhere. Later, spirit over flesh, modesty and concealment rose. The nude narrowed to religious contexts. Renaissance revived anatomy and ideals. Art recentered the body. But the body moved to galleries, beauty to contemplate, not daily life. Photography expanded depiction and sparked new anxieties. Public battles over what could be shown in film, magazines, art. Our view is a palimpsest. Gymnasium, cathedral, museum at once. Past meanings still color the present. Nature's embrace. Climate and health shape habits. The body thrives when basic needs are met. Cooling is key. Air circulation and sweat evaporation. Wearing less can be physiologically logical. In many hot regions, minimal dress is practical, not moral. Sunlight enables vitamin D, supporting bones and immunity. We once lived outdoors, now we live behind glass. Saunas worldwide, famously in Finland, mix health and social ritual. In high heat, clothes hinder perspiration, the point of the practice. For practitioners, brief nudity feels natural, non-sexual about recovery. Many find body ease in nature, a reminder. All bodies are natural bodies. The meaning of nudity shifts with place. Our worlds divide into public and private spaces, each with rules. At home, we drop personas and set household norms. Some keep doors open, others always closed. In clinics, exposure is clinical. Purpose shapes perception. Shared arenas rely on dress codes for harmony. Laws define boundaries of presentation. Hybrid spaces permit more exposure for specific activities. Local norms are consensual and contextual. Context writes the script our minds follow, and we perform accordingly. Our reactions are cultural and personal. Two people can feel utterly different about the same scene. Shame is a social emotion, fear of negative judgment. When nudity equals wrongdoing, exposure can feel perilous. Narrow ideals widen the gap between self and standard. Anxiety grows, Nudity threatens to reveal not enough. Normalization, habituation, changes reactions with safe exposure. Repeated, non-threatening context dulls alarm. First visits can feel intense. Soon, the unfamiliar becomes background. Rules and setting cue the mind. Non-sexual, ordinary. Context, place, people, activity tells the brain which script to run. Scandinavia, sauna culture, families, friends, even colleagues, non-sexual health ritual. Health, relaxation, bonding. Japan, onsen bathing, historic, often gender segregated, cleanliness and calm. In the Middle East and South Asia, public modesty is strong. Private and ritual contexts differ. A century ago, swimwear covered most of the body. It shrank over time. Many European beaches normalized topless sunbathing. Brazil celebrates the body through beach culture. Designated areas serve naturists with clear rules. Each is culture in motion, renegotiating the body. Why does the same body feel normal here, strange there? Many threads weave the answer. Climate, biology, history, and the rules we learn in childhood. Views of nudity are cultural creations, varied, fascinating. There is no single correct way to see the body. Lead with curiosity. Ask the why and the history. Respect begins with learning the fabric of another culture. The stories we tell about bodies will shape the world our children inherit.